Welcome to today's meditation for reclaiming self-worth. When you're ready and comfortable, close your eyes, take a slow, deep breath in, and gently exhale. Do that again. Deep breath in, and slow and gentle exhale. Allow your body to begin to soften. There's nowhere you need to be right now, but here. Bring your attention to your breath. Notice the rhythm. Feel the air move in and out of your body. Let your breath anchor you to this moment. If thoughts arise, simply notice them and return to your breath. You are here. You are safe. Now gently bring to mind a moment when you felt rejected, maybe by a person, a group, or a situation where you felt unseen, unchosen, or left out. Allow yourself to feel it without judgment. Just notice what arises. Sadness, anger, confusion, or maybe numbness. Say silently to yourself, "This was painful, and it's okay to feel what I feel." This experience does not define my worth. Know that rejection touches a tender place in all of us, the part of us wired for belonging. You are not broken or weak for feeling this. You are human. Now imagine taking a step back from the experience. View it from a distance, as though you are watching from above. Remind yourself, I am not the rejection. I am the one who experienced it. My worth has never changed. It cannot be taken from me. Notice how your identity is so much bigger than this moment. You are resilient. You are growing. You are learning how to stay rooted in your own value, even when others fail to see it. Now place a hand on your heart, if that feels right for you. Feel the warmth of your own presence. Say silently or out loud. I belong to myself. I am worthy of love, connection, and peace. I do not need to earn my worth. It's already mine. Imagine a soft light surrounding you, a gentle presence, like a warm blanket of acceptance. This light is your inner belonging, your true home. It cannot be taken. It has always been within you. Let these affirmations settle deep into your heart. I am enough, exactly as I am. I release the need for outside approval. I trust myself to heal and move forward. I am growing stronger every day. I belong in this world. I matter. Breathe these truths in. Let them nourish you. I am enough, exactly as I am. I release the need for outside approval. I trust myself to heal and move forward. I am growing stronger every day. I belong in this world. I matter. Breathe in the truth of these words and breathe out any doubt. Now begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Gently stretch if you'd like. And take one final big, deep breath in. And a nice, long, slow exhale. And when you're ready, slowly open your eyes. And know this: you are not alone. You are not defined by rejection. You are whole, worthy, and deeply loved, just as you are. Namaste.